What if I told you that a simple ingredient sitting in your kitchen right now could change your life? Sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? But that's exactly what we're diving into today. A practice so simple, yet transformative, that it could shift the way you experience daily life. The idea? Putting salt in your shoes. At first glance, this might sound quirky or even absurd, but by the end of this journey, you'll understand that it's far more than a novelty. It's a practice rooted in history, spirituality, and practicality. It's not just about salt. It's about self-discovery, healing, and grounding yourself amidst the chaos of everyday life. Let's begin by exploring why something as simple as salt has the potential to create such a profound impact. Salt is one of the oldest and most versatile substances known to humankind. For thousands of years, it has been used in countless ways, preserving food, healing wounds, and even serving as currency. Its properties are almost magical, yet its everyday presence makes it easy to overlook. But salt's significance goes beyond its practical uses. Across cultures, it has long been regarded as a powerful symbol of purification and protection. From ancient rituals to modern spiritual practices, salt is believed to cleanse negative energy, create barriers against harm, and even ground the body and mind. This brings us to the unusual yet fascinating idea of putting salt in your shoes. Life is demanding. Stress, fatigue, and an endless to-do list can leave us feeling unmotivated and disconnected. Whether it's a tough day at work, family responsibilities piling up, or simply feeling lost in the daily grind, these challenges weigh us down. Sometimes what we need isn't a grand solution, but a small grounding practice to reset and recharge. Enter the idea of salt in your shoes. This practice taps into salt's grounding and purifying properties, helping to stabilize your energy and clear your mind. Imagine carrying a tiny sanctuary of calmness with you wherever you go, subtly but powerfully, shifting how you feel throughout the day. In spiritual traditions, salt is often used to purify spaces, absorb negative energy, and protect against unwanted influences. When placed in your shoes, it's believed to do the same for you, creating a personal barrier against stress and negativity. Think of it this way: every day we walk through life carrying invisible weights, our worries, stressors, and frustrations. By adding salt to your shoes, you carry a simple tool to help you let go of those burdens and stay grounded. The sensation of salt under your feet can act as a gentle reminder to stay connected to the earth, helping you feel more stable and present. By absorbing negative energy, salt promotes a sense of calm and focus, reducing the mental clutter that often accompanies stress. Salt's moisture-absorbing properties keep your feet dry, making it a practical addition to your daily routine. Let's take Sarah's story as an example. Sarah was a working mother juggling a demanding job and family life. She felt constantly overwhelmed, drained, and stuck in a never-ending cycle of stress. One day, she stumbled upon the idea of putting salt in her shoes. At first, she laughed at the absurdity of it, but her curiosity won out. She sprinkled a small amount of salt into her shoes before heading to work. At first, she barely noticed anything, but as the days went by, she began to feel lighter, calmer, and more focused. The simple act of walking with salt in her shoes helped her feel more grounded, and this newfound balance rippled through every aspect of her life. Sarah's story isn't unique. Many who try this practice report feeling a subtle but profound shift in their mindset and energy levels. How to get started? If you're intrigued, here's how to try it for yourself. 1. Choose your salt. Coarse sea salt or Himalayan salt works best due to its natural and unprocessed qualities. 2. Sprinkle lightly. Add a small pinch of salt to the soles of your shoes, spreading it evenly. A thin layer is all you need. 3. Go about your day. Wear the shoes as you normally would, whether you're at work, running errands, or relaxing at home. 4. Observe. Pay attention to how you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. You can keep a salt in for a few hours or an entire day, depending on your preference. Replace it regularly to maintain its effectiveness. Salt, as a natural crystal, has grounding properties that help balance energy and promote calm. From a scientific perspective, grounding practices like this may help reduce stress and improve focus by fostering a stronger connection between the body and the earth. Spiritually, salt is a symbol of purification and protection, creating a safe and centered space wherever you go. The physical sensation of salt underfoot serves as a constant reminder to stay present and mindful, helping you release stress and embrace clarity. Is this practice for everyone? Like any practice, putting salt in your shoes might not resonate with everyone, and that's okay. Some may find the sensation uncomfortable or feel it doesn't align with their needs. The key is to approach it with an open mind and give it a fair try. If it doesn't work for you, there's no harm in exploring other methods of grounding and self-care. But if it does resonate, you may have discovered a simple yet powerful tool for enhancing your well-being. At its core, this practice isn't just about salt. It's a reminder that small, intentional actions can have a big impact on how we feel and navigate life. In a world filled with stress and distractions, finding moments to ground ourselves is essential. So why not give it a try? A pinch of salt, a pair of shoes, and a willingness to experiment might just lead you to a happier, more balanced life. And if you do try it, share your experience. How did it make you feel? Did you notice any shifts in your mood or mindset? Sometimes the simplest solutions hold the greatest power. Until next time, take care of yourself, one small step at a time.